Hi, I'm Gretchen. I'm one of the respiratory therapists at Bayview Home Care. So today I'm going to go over how to set a nebulizer kit up for a trach patient. So you get a kit, the normal one that comes with the setup. So you have the nebulizer cup, the T-piece, the mouthpiece, corrugated tubing, and the tubing that goes from the machine to the nebulizer cup. First thing you do is get rid of the mouthpiece. You won't be using that. And in place, you're going to go ahead and grab the trach collar. So we're going to put the neb cup, the T-piece that goes on top. Then you're going to put the corrugated tubing on the smaller end. The corrugated tubing goes into the trach mask, just like that, snaps right in. You've got an open hole here. So if you have a cap, you can cap it. We don't have a cap, so we're gonna put tape over it. All that does is block the end. So now it's forcing the medication out here. The patient can exhale because it has the hole here. And plus it's not a tight seal. Now you're gonna put the tubing right at the bottom, and then the other end of the tubing will connect to the machine. Right here, you take the trach collar, you put it around them, and make sure the cup is upright, just like that. And that is how we set a patient up with a nebulizer treatment using a trach collar.